I don't know if you can see it. Good morning. Just wake up. I'm exercising, and there is a rainbow. I can't go outside because it's raining. It's drizzling, but this rainbow is right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. It is fading away. There's a rainbow. It's fading away. Good morning, everyone. I am waking up to 52-degree weather in Florida. It is cold. Considering we're always hot and warm, I'm just waking up. My eyes are dirty, I bet you. But I don't care because that's what happens when you just wake up in the morning. But before I do anything, I am going to exercise. And my exercise machine is right on the floor. Not too far from my bed. But I am just wow. I was like, why is it so cold? I mean, I know last night it was 50. We went when I went to sleep. It was 56. So it is one of those days. Well, one of those weeks. It's been cool all week. So let me get ready for exercise. I am getting ready for exercise, but I opened the blind and it is just crazy. I guess one side is too hot, one side is too cold. Oh, yeah, Florida is funny, so I'll turn the camera around so you can see. This is what the window looks like. You see? I can actually write on there. This is my this is my sliding door. So it looks like cold. This is my bed, my room full of beat up bed because I twist and turn all night. And then this is my exercise machine, so I'm getting ready to go exercise. I do that first thing as I get out of bed to get it out of the way. We'll talk later. It is so cold on this little thing right here. Oh my god. I thought it was in the 50s. It's 46 degrees. No wonder why it's so cold. It's like, ooh. I left Canada just to move to Florida because of this cold weather. I mean, I can go and visit and stay in cold weather, but at least I know I'm going back to the Sunshine State. That's why it's so cold, and inside the hair is cold. So I'm gonna go try do 500 steps, but it's 46 degrees, and today is January 23rd. No, today is January 24th, 2000. Well, I never say it right that way. 2022. Bye for now. Starting to look like raindrops. But this is on the inside. Continue with the vlog. This is what I'm having for lunch today. I am having a bar. It is called Date and Nut Apple Pie. For lunch today, before I start cleaning, I'm having a date and nut apple pie. It's just 6 ingredients in there. It's dates, almonds, apples, walnuts, raisins, and cinnamon. So this is my lunch with a cup of peppermint tea. And after I finish this, I'm gonna start cleaning. I'll see you when I start cleaning. Today is my cleaning day. I clean every Monday. So I have to take all the sheets off and put new ones. And I'm also washing my carpets. I have 3 pieces of carpets that I have. One in the toilet section. And 2 in front of the sink. So, and then 1 in front of the shower. So I am taking the lighter ones because the lighter ones need to go in another load of laundry that I have for rags. So this is what I already have in there. These are rags I'm washing. So I'm putting these in here so I can wash them. So by the time they finish washing, I put them to dry. They'll be ready for me to put back down. This is my soap. The detergent goes right here. The clothes. We are going to set. I need it on bulky and deep water. And I press start. And we are ready to go. First load. I don't do laundry on Mondays. I only do the cleaning, the sweeping, the mopping, the changing of the bed sheets. And every so often I'll wash the carpets. I try to wash them at least every 2 weeks or once a month. Mostly once a month. Because I want my stuff to last, and it's just 2 of us downstairs. So it does, my husband and I, so it don't get dirty that much. Now I am getting ready for me to change the linens. I'll show you that. This is me now taking off all the stuff off the bed because I gotta put fresh linens on today. I want to wash everything that's on the bed. Blankets. I always keep the control under the pillow. My control is always under the pillow. I take Lysol and I always spray the mattress. I did that way before all this madness going around the world. It's just something I do all the time. Now, fresh bed. So I'm gonna put new covering, like sheets on there. And I'll wash the other sheets and the blankets. Pillows will be dressed. But this is something I do a lot. I'll show you. I put something down on the carpet and I put the pillows over here for the pillows to get a little sun. So I'll take all the pillows and I just put them one on top of each other so they can just get a little sun, and I'll rotate them every now and then. So now they are here in the sun, and I'll rotate them in a little while. I'll give them some time, then rotate them until I'm ready to put them on the bed. They're the last things I put on the bed. I'll let the mattress air out and then I'll dress it up. Now, we're going to make up the bed. Getting ready to make up the bed. Okay, that's the fitted sheet right here. Now, the flat sheet goes on. Always check to make sure it's not on the wrong side. So, that's what I'm checking. Make sure we're not on the wrong side. This is the finished bed. Now, time to move on to the sweeping section. I will see you all again in another video. Subscribe, share, like, and have a wonderful, fantastic, fabulous day.